TrueTone is an advanced sensor feature that adapts the screen brightness and colors to its surrounding lighting in your current environment. Hi, this is Akash and welcome to the new video how you can restore TrueTone without original LCD. After you change the LCD on iPhone, one of the most important feature TrueTone is missing from the iOS system or from your iPhone. If you have original LCD, then you can copy the TrueTone data from old LCD and restore to replaced LCD or new on LCD. If the original LCD is not present, then you have to follow the procedure. You need one programmer. Here I am using iCopy. You need truetone or this software. You need truetone or this software. This software is for reading MTSN data and copy from iPhone information and paste on Notepad. And now remove LCD from iPhone. And now remove LCD from iPhone, then connect the touch connector on iCopy programmer. The programmer creates the TrueTone data by MTSN number. You have to follow some login process. I already have an account and sign in. Now the iCopy programmer is open. To create TrueTone data, click on Zip. Click on Original Color Register without original LCD. Then you have to put previous backup MTSN serial on that section. Then click on Repair. This may take few minutes. Sometimes you have to do same process 2 or 3 times. Wait for program to finish. till message pop up, data transmitted and write in success. Now the truetone data is written on the new LCD without any backup. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.